Hello, I'm Martin Kashara. I'm the University of Wolverhampton's Associate Professor for Engagement in Science, Technology, Engineering and Maths. And welcome to our annual celebration of science and technology, our science festival, SciFest. SciFest is our way of bringing everything that the University of Wolverhampton does and our local community together to break down those barriers between academia and the public. People get to come into the university and experience all the things that our faculties can do, but also get involved with local companies and also important apprenticeship providers and things like that, like the armed forces. We've got shows going on with people like the Royal Institution, the fantastic Foxdog studios, we've got mass communicators, we've got tons going on here today, and it's all free. So today we've got students from all over the region, both from schools and those learning at home joining us. And then tomorrow we've got our community joining us for a celebration of all things STEM. So one of the reasons that we do have SciFest is to really get our younger people engaged in things like science, technology, engineering and maths. Did you know that every year there's a shortfall of more than 20,000 engineers nationally? And we need people to be engaged in those sorts of subject areas. And SciFest really starts that growth of interest that might later on grow into a degree, it might grow into a career, and people entering those trades in STEM that we really need. You know, SciFest is really important. It shows people that university is for everyone, no matter who you are, where you come from, or what you look like.